approach, but where's teacher landing? Can you tell the class? Can you put it in comments? There's a faster speedboat down there. A lot of ships and boats and a port. And so where are we? Where are we having class today? We're above the water. Okay, who said Hong Kong? That's right. Teaching English will on final approach to Hong Kong. What do you think? Isn't this amazing? I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to keep the camera going, and we're just going to keep filming out there. Oh, we're over the runway. We're over the airport in Hong Kong. Teaching English from the runway. Oh, did you hear that? We just landed on the runway. Runway, R-U-N-W-A-Y. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. Hong Kong. Who can spell Hong Kong? Remember, 2 words. Isn't this just amazing? We're just going to keep filming. Water is so close to the airport here. We just landed. We're on the taxiway. I think we're on Charlie 6 taxiway, if I'm not right in telling. Look at this. Look, you can see. Wow. I don't see another plane. Wow, we're the only ones here. That's amazing. Wow. We come in to land. That was so nice. The flight attendant let me switch my seat so I could get better pictures. So I'm really happy with that. I see another plane way over there. I see, oh, there's a vehicle, a van, V-A-N. I see a ship, S-H-I-P. Do you see the ship? Isn't this amazing? Isn't this something? This looks like a big industrial park. I think it is. Right here at the airport.
大家好，歡迎嚟到香港。而家香港當地嘅時間中12時19分，氣温係攝氏20度。請繼續留喺座位，直到客機完全停定以及安全帶燈號熄滅為止。請記得小心打開上方行李櫃，以免有物件跌落嚟。提醒各位落機嘅時候，記住攞齊所有嘅隨身物品。今日非常感謝你選擇 H Express 嘅航班，希望我哋好快可以下個旅程再次見面。Dear passengers, welcome to Hong Kong. The local time is now 20 minutes past 12 in the afternoon, and the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Please remain in your seats until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as baggage can fall out, and double check that you have all your belongings before leaving. Thank you very much for flying with English Express today. We can't wait to see you again soon.
Kudos to Hong Kong Express, our airline today. Kudos to Vietjet, who helped us go from Kuala Lumpur to Saigon to Hanoi. Kudos to Cebu Pacific, who got us from Cebu over to Bangkok. And kudos to Thai Lion Air, who helped us get from Bangkok to Penang. And teacher rode a bus from Penang to Kuala Lumpur and got to see some beautiful countryside in Malaysia. So anyway, we're coming through the industrial part of the area here by the airport. I'm just going to keep on. Cement truck. I see cement trucks. So anyway, we're just going to keep filming, watch while there is a great big giant airplane taking off. I don't know if you can see it. Teacher can see it. Can you see the big giant airplane just now taking off? I'm not sure if it's still visible. Tell me if you can see a great big airplane taking off. I saw 2 very large airplanes take off. I don't know if the class could see them. Now I see a lot of airplanes sitting on the ground. This is awesome. This is amazing. This airport is huge. Look how big this airport is. Wow. Airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T. Airport. And we're going to turn. We're going to walk. So you know what? Right now, I'm just going to relax while we finish landing the plane. So